Presiden Joko Widodo inaugurated the 144th IPU Assembly and related meetings opening session in Nusa Dua, Bali on Sunday night, 20th of March. IPU stood for Inter-Parliamentary Union, which gathered around thousands of parliament representatives from 115 countries. This year, Assembly of the IPU opening session brought the theme of Getting to Zero, Mobilizing Parliament to Act on Climate Change, ensuring frontline parliaments in fighting against global warming. In his speech, President Joko Widodo revealed the difficulties faced by developing countries in making the transition from fossil energy to renewable energy.
Kelihatannya mudah, tetapi dalam prakteknya itu ada sesuatu yang sangat sulit di lapangan, utamanya bagi negara-negara berkembang. Sehingga yang perlu dibicarakan adalah dan dimobilisasi adalah pendanaan iklim. Ini harus segera kita selesaikan. Yang kedua, investasi dalam rangka renewable energy. Kemudian yang ketiga, yang berkaitan dengan transfer teknologi. Kalau ini tidak real dilakukan, sampai kapanpun saya pesimis bahwa yang namanya perubahan iklim ini betul-betul tidak bisa kita cegah.
Joko Widodo encouraged all parliaments from IPU members countries to mobilize together with their respective governments. A real and concrete act which can be applied in public is urgently needed. The session also touched safety issues, as conflicts still happen in various countries, alongside humanitarian rights issues. Lastly, it dealt with COVID-19 pandemic, focusing on vaccine equity and global economy recovery. Andira Putri and Dian Merdekawati for See Today.